Then miniature sculptures are made and used as guides to create large-sized mechanical props, much like Andy here. Now, some of these creatures work like puppets with off-camera operators using cables to move them. In other cases, the miniatures are brought to life through a process called stop-motion animation. The model is photographed one frame at a time. Then the animator moves the figure slightly in between each shot. Now, when the film is played back at normal speed, the movement seems fluid and lifelike, as with the Scorpion and Honey, I Shrunk the Kids. So you can see that miniatures play a huge part in the world of special effects. Now, this drawbridge and ferry boat, for example, are two miniatures that were used in Dick Tracy, a film that has taken the art of visual effects to a new level. Keep watching your monitors and I'll show you what I mean. Now, this particular scene involves four elements: live action, animation, miniatures, and something we call a backstage. How do these come together? Visual effects. Here's how they were used to create Tracy Town. First, the live action was filmed in front of a painted flat on a studio backlot where Warren Beatty chased the kid along 100 feet of paved railroad tracks. Then, 6,000 hours of labor went into the building of this one-ton model train in a very detailed miniature set with just the right amount of lighting. Now, the timing of the miniature and the live action had to match, so the train was powered by a computer-driven cable system, which allowed it to run at various speeds. Now, the square rig you're about to see in front of the camera is actually a mirror. By placing it on the tracks, the image of the oncoming train could be reflected right into the camera lens. On film, this looks like a head-on collision. To finish out the scene, this matte painting, like the one under the monitors, had to be created from what is called a key illustration. The live action and the miniatures were projected onto a sheet of glass, and then the big city background was painted in around it. Finally, animated twinkling stars, flashing neon signs, and colored smoke were added to complete the shot. Now, all of this worked for a sequence which only lasted 11 seconds. No wonder Dick Tracy looks confused. So you can see in the world of special effects, by combining imagination with a little technical know-how, anything at all can happen. Because here at the Disney, sounds like she said you can go in now. Go in where? Oh, of course, the special effects shooting stage, because that's the next stop on your tour. Now, with everyone along the back wall here, please turn to your left and exit through the doors on your left. There's a lot more room on that side. Thanks, everyone, and enjoy the rest of the...
My name is Ramon. I'm going to be your director for this shoot. Oh, there is my assistant director, Joel. He's going to be operating the computer-controlled camera in the center of the room. But most importantly, here we have Kristen and Andy. They're both going to be stars on a scene from Honey, I Shrunk the Kids. But first, I would like to show you how a blue screen like the one right behind us can make people and objects appear someplace they're not. By placing an object in front of a blue screen, we can later replace that blue with any kind of background that we choose. This process allowed actor Bob Hoskins to drop into the cartoon world of Roger Rabbit. And now we're going to make some blue screen magic, bro. Okay guys, here's your scene. You're going to be flying on top of this beat through your backyard. This is a wild and scary ride, so what I want you to do, I want you to wave your arms, kick your legs, and act real scared, all right? Cameras ready? Ready. And action. As you see our beat stationary on the floor, but the camera pans, zooms, and tilts to give the beat illusion of flight. Keep on going, guys. Keep on going. And cut. Joel, can we set up for another shoot?
Setting up.
I need to talk to my actors here. Guys, you did a great job. The waving and the kicking was really good. But you remember this was supposed to be a scary scene? You guys were smiling the whole way through. Yeah, that's all right. This is what we're going to do. Andy, now let's pretend you're going to fall off the beat, but you're not going to fall off. All you're going to do is reach up. Now, Kristen, you reach down, dramatically save his life. Is this your brother by any chance? Yeah, we'll save him anyways, all right? Cameras ready?
Ready.
And action. There you go. Reach up, reach out. Hold on, just like that. A few more seconds. Just hold on like that. Hold on and cut. Just look at the terror on those faces. In the original movie, all these sequences were shot and assembled on film, but today we're using video so you can see the results right away. Watch your overhead monitors, and here's how you would see it at the movies.
I like the acting.
Well, I like the kid on top. It was the kid on the side of the beam. That's